Pancakes today. Sit down, sweetheart.
Morning, Mama.
Morning, my little one. Pancakes today?
Yay, pancakes.
Here you go, sweetheart. Big meeting today. Big meeting. You'll grow up in the blink of an eye.
Dad, you say that every day.
Today, I mean it. Safwan, come on, I'll drop you at school. Grab your bag.
Coming.
Fast, buckle up. We're late.
Baba, slow down a little.
Okay, I got it, Safwan.
Phew.
That was fast. Sorry. Big meeting brain today.
You keep saying that.
I know. Okay, out you go.
Bye, Baba.
Wait, Da. Where's your lunchbox?
I don't know. I had it in the kitchen.
I'll go back and get it. Wait right here by the gate, okay?
Okay, Baba.
Oh no. Oh no. Meeting. Lunchbox.
Baba? Baba, where are you? The gate's closing! Wait, Ta! Wait for me! But my dad, Mo, he went to get my lunchbox. Coming, ma'am. He forgot me. He really forgot me. Sister, is Baba here?
Not yet. But I saw his car circling the block twice already. Come on, let's wait by the office.
Are you okay?
Yes, now that I know you are. I got your lunchbox, but then I couldn't find you at the gate.
I waited and waited, but the teacher said to come inside.
It's okay, Safwan. We're here now.
I'm so sorry. I panicked. I drove around the whole street looking for you.
You're right. I should have. I just wasn't thinking straight.
Mama, I'm okay now.
Oh, thank goodness. Come here, love.
Mom.
I promise, from now on died. Lunchbox goes in the bag the night before.
Yes.
And you check the gate before you drive off.
Deal.
Crisis solved. Safwan safe. Lunchbox found. Not bad for one morning.
You were very brave waiting like that, Safwan.
Thanks, Mom.
I was a little scared. But I knew you'd come.
Always, buddy. Always.
Even if it takes 2 laps around the block.
Maybe even 3. Let's get you to class properly this time.
Okay, Dad.
That's my boy. Have a great day.
Okay, Baba. Love you.
Love you too, champ.
Sometimes plans go wrong, and that's okay.
What matters is staying calm, telling a grown-up, and knowing your family will always come for you.
And don't forget your homework. And always double check your lunchbox.
If you like our video, please like and share with your friends.
And don't forget to subscribe to Easy Tail English.